stranger getting nearer. Who can this person be?
First of all, we know what song you're not getting at Russian Roulette night, alright. Thank God for Who Let the Dogs Out. Fucking hell, a question we ask about this next speech all the time. Decoder, it's the on button. Are we ready? What did you think?
Thank you, I'm not really good with these things. You're such a dickhead. That was hilarious. I will say, thank God that you did put that in at the end, Who Let the Dogs Out, because I was getting a little bit bored. I didn't quite understand the connection with Rise Like a Phoenix. I did think you looked like a flamenco Cruella there at the beginning with your skirt over your head. Very great intensity, really great intensity, and very fucking funny. You should be very proud of that. Good work.
Hey, Fiona.
It was quite a departure from your usual high energy whirlwind, kind of all over the stage, kicking and jumping and landing and all of that, and it was really good. It was really good.
I'm just impressed that she just didn't do Material Girl as Cruella de Vil. I really am, seriously.
No, I really enjoyed that, and the intensity that you built up without running around the stage and cartwheeling and splits and everything was really, you really commanded the stage and the audience, and the bit at the end was a big laugh, and that was really funny, and that was great. So well done.
I don't think she heard much of that. I think she's really upset that she didn't think of Material Girl. It's alright, next time, Jenny. Alright, come and get it.
I love that. I love that. It's the first time that you perform where I haven't had to sit back in my seat out of fear that you're going to kick me in the head. So it was controlled intensity, which I love. And I love the fact that you're obviously Cruella at the end of the film, which is why your wig is so matted. So I was going to go you for not brushing it, but now I get it. Fabulous. Well done, sweetheart. I'm going to start doing fucked up characters too, just so I don't brush my hair either. Well done.